When I first took over the Enigma project, there was another company that was here before I got here. I knew for what we needed to do and deliver here, we were going to need to start from a blank canvas. I've been here for 5 years. I set the restaurant up from scratch. We have a very small crew. It's not a big space at all. Our philosophy here is to keep it simple. We were one of the first inaugural restaurants to obtain a Michelin-Star in its first year being here. We have just recently expanded and built a bar and a lounge area. Through the design phase, when we opened up Enigma, we reached out to Garland, found that they were very responsive, and we kind of gave them our specifications of what we were looking for. I like to work at a high efficiency level, and I found that I was getting that response and delivery from Garland. It's not very common here in Canada for a lot of the chefs to use French tops. We like the more classic French kind of style. We can use it for prep and for service. We have the oven at the bottom that we can use for high roasting and things like that. We'll normally have the Salamander on one side like really hot, like really ripping, and the other one just at an ambient temperature. We can either switch these off completely and use Bichitan, or use sous vide techniques on the side there and then still have pan work. You can also have the different temperatures, so one can be hot, one can be colder. We can also open them up and we can actually use the flames itself to actually roast and char on, which is pretty cool. But a fantastic product, and yeah, it's really cool. Great team to work with, so I highly recommend it. The other beautiful thing about Garland is you're also working with people that have been in the industry, that are chefs, and they understand what you're looking for. I look at working with Garland as a partnership. We want to really cement ourselves as culinary leaders in both fields, and we need each other within Canada to push forward. There hasn't been any challenges with this. It's been a fantastic unit, being reliable. Look after your stuff, it'll look after you, and Garland's the product to do it.